Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Today we are shipping out this 18-foot food truck out to Kansas.
And then that big container.
Right up here is the shore power connection. Right now it's connected to our building. Here inside is the generator. And that is the propane tank. Propane tank is actually under the belly of the truck. That's how you would drain water. That's how you would fill water. Behind is a door. In this case, specifically, the customer requested that he has a large window that he can look through, which is what we did. Also built a fairly large shelf at the bottom as well. Of course, there is LED lighting all around. Let's go see its features. Here, this is the wire that he would use to connect it to a building that has 220 volt. Brand new food truck. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. All walls are stainless steel. Inside the walls is 1.5 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood. That is the generator box, of course, as always covered in stainless steel. Essentially works like a table. Fire suppression bottle, of course, tagged and inspected. The K series and ABC series fire extinguishers are around us. That is the controller for the AC. All the breakers are inside. Each piece of equipment has its own breaker. As always, all the wiring is inside conduits, not inside walls. Prevents them from chafing and breaking over time. Big range here, 6 burners and a 24-inch griddle. Fire suppression system and hood, of course. Large range over here and a sandwich prep. That's the plumbing system with the 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink, and the tanks. One of the tanks is under the floor of the truck. Water heater, of course. That's the K series fire extinguisher. Tagged, of course. Twin 18-pan proofers. This is to store a whole bunch of chicken and other meats that the chef would make inside a commissary kitchen, or here if he wants to, because there are, of course, 2 large ovens here. This is a steam table, large 4-pan steam table. Little work table and fairly large refrigerator. Opens all the way, of course. Air conditioner in the back, which I forgot to show, and LED lighting throughout. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck that we are shipping out to Kansas today. If you have any questions, or if you would like one like this yourself, let us know on our website, zinefoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a good one.